The 2025 Ram 1500 continues to set the benchmark for modern pickups, and its production at the Sterling Heights assembly plant highlights Stellantis' commitment to quality and innovation. Located in Michigan, the Sterling Heights facility is a cutting-edge assembly plant that has played a crucial role in delivering some of Ram's most popular models to market. For the 2025 model year, the Ram 1500 benefits from advanced manufacturing processes implemented at this plant, ensuring precision in every detail. The plant has undergone significant upgrades to integrate the production of electrified and hybrid powertrains, reflecting Ram's forward-thinking approach. These enhancements allow for seamless assembly of the Ram 1500 lineup, including the new electric and hybrid variants, alongside traditional internal combustion engine models. The Sterling Heights assembly plant is renowned for its skilled workforce and state-of-the-art automation. Advanced robotics, combined with human expertise, ensure that every Ram 1500 meets the high standards expected by its loyal customers. Sustainability also plays a major role in the plant's operations, with initiatives to reduce energy consumption and waste in line with Stellantis' broader environmental goals. The 2025 Ram 1500 rolling off this iconic production line represents not just a vehicle, but also the pinnacle of American manufacturing excellence.